Today we are installing smoke alarms in this primarily Hispanic community, and it's part of our national home fire campaign to reduce fire fatalities by 25% over a 5-year period.
A working smoke detector can double the chances of a person surviving a home fire. Home fires do cause more damage than all other natural disasters combined, and we wanted to do something about that.
Once they kind of realized what we were doing, I think that they were really appreciative. I think they were kind of nervous, like having other people in their house that they didn't know, but you could tell, like with the little smiles and the little, like have a nice day, they really appreciated it.
It means a lot for me. It lets me give back to the poor. You know, I can't do this every day, but when I do get the opportunity to, I like to.
It's just great to see so many partnerships and support, and people providing water and food and things like that. So it's really awesome to see all this come together.